Guys, we have a brand new Lincoln Aviator. I think this is what Matthew McConaughey drives. We're doing a lot of stuff to this. We're in the process of Clearbra the full front end. We're also going to be tinting it. We're putting on new wheels, Boston wheels. We're going to be doing a chrome delete, so all this chrome that you see will be gone. We're also going to wrap the roof. I think that's everything.
Oh, and we're tinting the whole vehicle.
I think I said that, but okay. Because it is a brand new car, we want to make sure the paint looks new for as long as the client owns it. Oh, and we're also going to be painting this grills. So we got our work cut out for us, but it's going to look really good once we're done. Dustin? Do you think Matthew McConaughey really drives a Lincoln? So while the Clearbra is being worked on, we have the wheels for the Aviator HF5 22x9. Got the tires here as well, so we're getting these mounted and getting them ready, so then once the car's done, we'll put them all on. The cool thing is that now we have our own body shop. We can actually do in-house painting. Russell's getting ready to chrome delete it. What do you think it's gonna look like once you're done?
It's gonna look like a Navigator when it's done.
What? What? Some of the chrome pieces are getting painted, as I just showed you earlier, but the rest of like the window trims, we're gonna wrap that. So we're gonna go with gloss black on the window trims, even the roof rails up here as well.
This.
Wait, what? Oh, you're doing. Oh, wait, this part?
Yeah, the white part.
Oh, so we're doing like a two-tone look.
Yeah.
Oh, so you guys may see this often like on Range Rovers where like the top half of the car is like blacked out. Kind of do the same effect with this as well. So this paint here is also gonna be black.
Done.
How does it feel to wrap your own parents' car?
Feels great. My mom's gonna love it. I'm so happy for them. They just bought this, brought it here. I got them to spend some money on some wheels, wrap, Clearbra.
Nice.
My parents love me. They asked me to do it in the garage. I said, nah. Just bring it to the shop so Tech can make some money.
Excited to see what Russell's mom will think when she sees the car?
I think she's gonna love it. My mom loves all the work.
It's kind of hard to imagine the Aviator coming in any other way now that we're done with it. The whole front end is completely wrapped and protected, and all the chrome accents are now gone. Gloss black on the trims, the badges, the grille, and the entire top half of the car is completely blacked out. It looks so much sportier now, which is perfect for clients that want something a little more exciting than your standard luxury look. Boston HF5s in gloss black complements all the new black accents very well, and we have high heat rejecting window tint on all the windows to help keep the interior comfortable during the summer. This whole setup is the perfect blend between luxury and sport all together.
I had a lot of pride in swimming.
Yeah, I was gonna swim like a dolphin. And Sean goes, I beat you in a race. I said, hell no.
You ain't beat and he was like, alright, well, let's race. Yeah,
He's gonna be
hella hard.
ground beef when I'm done with him. He already texted his mom. Sorry, mom, if I don't win.
All those swimming lessons you paid for, it's gonna come in handy today.
Oh my
I'm gonna text my mom when I win. Thanks for getting all those pool tags back in the day, mom. I'm gonna turn up the heat if I see him in front of me.
Hey, I told him so he can back out of this whenever he wants.
Wait, do we have like a date for this?
Well, whenever the pool opens, so summertime coming up.
I think I'm gonna let this game go on for longer than I need to. It's been a while since I played. So.
You gotta take a dump. I don't think he's gonna take a dump on you.
So Russell, did you do any preparation last night for this game?
Yeah, I fell asleep last night. I'm gonna thank myself at the end of this game for being the best player I could be.
How do you think you and your teammate will perform this game?
Last night I ate Whataburger with jalapenos, so I'm feeling real spicy today.
Dustin, did you do anything to prepare for the game last night?
Two trucks, they be swinging. You in the way, you getting hit, dog. Ah, damn, my bad.
Doesn't matter, go to the free throw line, get one bucket,
throws.
get one bucket right there, check it into you, step back, 2 points right there.
This shit would be funny when they get beat by two fat dudes. I'm ready, I'm ready.
Dustin, being a tinter and Clearbra guy, how do you think those skills are going to translate over to your basketball game tonight?
Oh my God. Bro.
Gotta get that one out.
Open the door and it's right there.
That's stretch.
Here, Russell, I got a lot of crap with you.
What was your question?
I did find my ankle braces, so you're gonna see some old man basketball. I put them on, I was like, man, I'm a machine now. I'm playing through 13-year-olds. I don't know what to do. They're all gonna be like, fuck, it's too fast.
Sean, what would this win mean for you and your team?
I mean, it won't mean much because we're supposed to win.
It's going down.
Do I need to pump the ball up? I don't know.
Hey, this is never gonna get to 11.
Alright, we'll get one more try.
Man, I'm a machine now.
Go get that! Oh, come on! Oh, get that!
I'm already out of breath. I'm a street racer, I don't play basketball.
Time right here.
I'm fucking tired.
Tired.
I'm dying.
Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Hope you guys enjoy the Aviator. Hope you guys enjoy that basketball game. If you want to work on your car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
Man, I'm a machine now.